Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. What if I told you that you could master the most powerful Excel formulas in just 5 minutes? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll be slicing through spreadsheets like a pro, saving hours of time, and impressing everyone at work or school. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, I'm going to break down 5 game-changing Excel formulas that'll make you feel like a data wizard. Ready? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why Excel formulas are your secret weapon. They're like magic spells for your spreadsheets, turning raw data into insights, automating boring tasks, and making you look like a genius. But here's the thing, you don't need to memorize hundreds of formulas to get started. I've handpicked the top 5 that are easy to learn, insanely useful, and guaranteed to make your life easier. Curious about what they are? Let's get to the first one. Formula number 1, SUM. This is your bread and butter formula for adding up numbers fast. Imagine you've got a column of sales figures, and your boss needs the total in seconds. Just type equals sum, then in parentheses, select the range of cells you want to add, like A1 to A10. Hit enter, and bam! Your total appears like magic. But here's a pro tip that'll make you stand out. Use Alt plus equals to auto-sum a column instantly. Try it, and you'll never go back to manual adding again. Want to know what's even cooler? Stick around for formula number 2. It's a game changer. Next up is VLOOKUP, the formula that makes finding data feel like a superpower. Let's say you have a huge table of customer orders, and you need to find someone's order number fast. VLOOKUP searches a table vertically and pulls the info you need. Here's how it works. Type equals VLOOKUP, then add what you're looking for, the table range, the column number with the data you want, and false for an exact match. Sounds tricky? It's not. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you live without it. But don't stop here. The next formula is going to blow your mind. Now let's talk about F, the formula that makes your spreadsheet think for you. Picture this. You're analyzing sales data, and you want to flag deals above $500 as high value. With IF, you can make Excel decide what to display based on a condition. Type equals if, then add your condition, like A1 greater than 500, then what to show if true, like high value, and what to show if false, like standard. This formula is like giving your spreadsheet a brain. Curious about how to combine it with other formulas for even more power? Keep watching. Formula number 4 is concatenate, or its newer cousin, TEXTJOIN. Ever needed to combine names, addresses, or product codes into one cell? This is your go-to. For example, Hajushin TEXTJOIN with a comma as a delimiter can merge first and last names from 2 cells into one clean string. It's perfect for creating polished reports or mailing lists. But here's a question. What if you need to split text apart? Don't worry, I've got a bonus tip coming up in the next formula that'll solve that problem. Finally, let's wrap up with COUNTIF, the formula that answers questions like, how many times did this happen? Let's say you're tracking project statuses and you want to know how many tasks are marked complete. Just type equals COUNTIF, select your range, and specify complete as the criteria. Boom, Excel counts it for you. And here's that bonus tip. Combine COUNTIF with IF to create dynamic dashboards that update automatically. Want to see how? Try it out, and you'll be amazed at what you can do. So there you have it. 5 Excel formulas that'll take you from beginner to pro in just 5 minutes. Sum, VLOOKUP, if, TEXTJOIN, and COUNTIF. These are the building blocks to mastering Excel and making your work faster, smarter, and more impressive. But don't stop here. Practice these formulas on your own data, and you'll unlock even more possibilities. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends or coworkers who are struggling with Excel, and hit that subscribe button for more tips to level up your skills.